Five questions for startup that could make it the next unicorn. One of the primary reasons for failure of any business is the lack of leadership, which is driven by a purpose and vision. There are numerous examples where businesses are not able to achieve their full potential despite a great business model. This brings us to the question that we are trying to answer in this video, which is how do some startups become unicorn or have $1 billion valuation? During the course of this video, let's help our friend Harry to make his startup become a unicorn. Harry has just started a retail clothing store. His goal is to increase revenue, scale up the business, and for that, he needs to answer 5 questions. They are: what is our business? Who is our customer? What is the value to our customer? Or what kind of products do our customer finds important? What will be our business if we continue what we are doing? And what should be our business if we want to completely satisfy our customer? These 5 questions help us to define our corporate mission or the reason for existence of our business. Let's answer all these questions taking an example. Amazon, the company that has market cap of $800 billion. Amazon started as an online bookstore. It was their initial business. Their customers were all the people who wanted to purchase book from comfort of their home. This means their customers were everybody who were on the move, or their favorite book was not available in the store, or simply they lived in the places where there was no bookstore nearby. This was the value that Amazon was providing. Now, if Amazon continued the same path, it would have become the largest bookstore and could have expanded beyond United States. But Amazon expanded its vision quickly and it wanted to become the largest online store for everything. Because the business that they aspired to be was to provide one-stop solution to their customers for everything, from toothbrush to televisions. This became their corporate mission. Now let's come back to Harry. Harry runs a retail clothing store. It's his business. His customers are men who want to purchase clothes for party, casual wear or for office. The value that customer get is good fabric, comfortable, stylish and wide variety of branded clothes for a premium. If Harry continues to follow the same path, then he could include many more brands and eventually open his own showroom to expand his business. Or he could stop to limit himself to one single location and one single product category and could cater to different needs of men and not limit to just clothes, but also could include accessories. He could also scale up the business by opening new branches in neighboring cities. He could launch his own clothing line and start its own website or partner with e-commerce websites and expand his business all over the country. Now do you see the difference of two paths? We could choose to take our careers to the second part if we have the clarity of what business we are in and who is our customer. Let's look at a different company which has taken the second path or the road less traveled, which made all the difference. Steelcase is one of the best selling manufacturers of office furniture in the market. It could have easily become the best office furniture store in the world if it had continued the same path, but they went one step further. Their vision is to become the global leader in furnishing the work experience in office environment. In simple words, they want to improve work experience of their customer so that their productivity increases. This is why they have 23% research team that films, surveys and interviews workers to find what they like and what is their problem while working. They found companies were increasingly focusing on collaboration and mixing ideas of different teams. And this collaboration not only happened in conference room but also in cafes and restaurants. The trend was moving from I fixed to we mobile mentality. So the company modernized the furniture by suggesting fewer cubicles and filing cabinets and more benches, tables and cafe seatings to clients and free up the employees to brainstorm and collaborate so that they can achieve company's goal. This was valuable for companies as any other supplier would have made better cubicles at lower rate. But these suggestions, which promotes productivity, only comes when we are clear about our business, our customers and what value we should provide, or in short, our corporate mission. Now the question arises how to create such mission statement, how to deliver what is important for customer and not just compete in price or quality of furniture. This change in thinking comes when we look at our business from our customer's perspective. Let me explain. Steelcase can be an office furniture supplier which is looking at business from a product we deliver or product definition of a company, which is somewhat limiting. While companies should define their business from customer's perspective, like a business is to improve work experience of a customer. This is called market definition for Steelcase. Let's take another example. Union Pacific Railroad. Their product definition is we run a railroad in United States, but their market definition could be We are a people and goods mover. So this does not limit their options to railroad only. Paramount Pictures. Their product definition could be we make movies, while their market definition could be we market entertainment. Encyclopedia Britannica. Their product definition is we sell encyclopedias online, while their market definition could be we distribute information. Now let's come back to Harry. His product definition would be we are a clothing store that sells ready-made clothes for men. Its market definition could be a one-stop solution for men anywhere in the country. Now the question that arises is what is the purpose of this market definition of a company when we are defining a market statement or corporate mission? It does not magically grow our business, right? So why do it? The answer is this brings change in the mindset and opens new avenues for business. Let's look at another example. Pepsi. Pepsi could have defined its business as carbonated soft drinks manufacturer, and this would have made other soft drink manufacturer as its competition and customers as everybody who drinks a soft drink. But they defined their business in a different way. Pepsi defined its business as drink to quench thirst. That is, whenever anybody feels thirsty, they should buy Pepsi. This makes everybody Pepsi's customer. This also expands its product competition to non-carbonated soft drinks, bottled water, fruit juices, tea and coffee. This would mean they have to make business strategies on how to make everybody drink Pepsi whenever they feel thirsty. So they installed vending machines in offices, malls, restaurants, that is every public place where a person could need a drink. This expanded the scope of their business exponentially. But this was only possible when they defined their business according to their target markets or customers. Now let's come to you. How can you write a mission statement or reason for existence of your business? Follow these steps. First, focus on limited number of goals, at least initially. Compare a vague mission statement such as to build total brand value by innovating to deliver customer value and customer leadership faster, better and more completely than our competition, to Google's ambitious but more focused mission statement, that is to organize world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Second, stress the company's major policies and values. Third, define the major competitive sphere within which the company will operate. Fourth, take a long-term view. Fifth, make it short, memorable and meaningful as possible. Fred Smith wanted to deliver mail anywhere in United States before 10:30 a.m. So he created FedEx. Thank you.